Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 8 in our spelling for the sound of J. And again, you know that the J can make that sound, the GE in the middle of the word can make the sound, the GE at the end of the word, and the GI can make that sound. Today, you guessed it, is our speed sort, so have your words in a nice pack in your hand and lay out your headers. Pause the video until you're ready and then get ready to compete against me. All righty. 1. Oh, when I get to 3 and I say go, that's when we start. Don't start before them. No cheating. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Village. I have the G. Magic. Angel. Fragile. Budget. Banjo. Danger. Savage. Badger. Postage. Region. Message. Agent. Logic. Voyage. Legend. Gadget. Courage. Pigeon. Major. Margin. Digit. Engine. And storage. All right, I'm done. You need to stop. So who won, you or me? Remember, you're going to have to write these words down in your notebook, and on the top right corner, write down who won. Was it the teacher or the student? Can't wait to see you posting it on Class Dojo. See you next time.